We begin by placing the reel on the reel support rails. Position the reel front to back until the center of the reel shaft is above the center of the grinding stone. Bring the rear fence up to the rear roller. Lock the left side and make sure the fence aligns itself. Then lock down the right side. Place the pie tape magnet on one of the blades at the left end of the reel. Make sure the magnet does not extend above the blades. Keep tension on the pie tape as you wrap it around the reel, and make sure that you wrap it in a straight line so that the end of the tape lines up with the beginning of the tape. Our measurement is the line on the left just before the 0. Each line with a large number is 1 inch, so our reading is 4 inches. Each line with a small number is 1/10 of an inch, so our reading is 6/10. Each line without a number is 25 thousandths, and here the reading is 0. To read the vernier, find the line on the right which lines up best with a line on the left. Here the reading is 8 thousandths. Add them together and your final measurement is 4.608, or 4 inches 608 thousandths. Repeat the measurement for the right end of the reel. You should repeat each measurement you make at least once, and you should be able to duplicate your measurement within 3 thousandths of an inch. This measurement is 4 inches, 6/10, and 25 thousandths, plus a vernier reading of 3 thousandths, for a total of 4 inches 628 thousandths, which means the reel has a 20 thousandths cone. To adjust the reel, lift the rear roller with the fence jack. This ensures that both ends of the front roller are on the table. At the large end of the reel, feed the grinding stone up until it just touches. While holding the hand wheel, set the dial to read 0. Move the grinding head to the small end of the reel. Infeed the hand wheel the difference in the left and right reel diameters, in our case 20 thousandths of an inch. While turning the reel, adjust the front roller until the grinding stone again just touches the reel. Lower the grinding wheel, and then lower the fence jack. Adjust the rear roller until there is no rock. Loop the chain clamps around the mower frame. Turn the chain clamps on. Make sure the reel is properly seated and both chains are tight. Move the grinding head to one end of the reel so that the stone is off the end of the reel and does not touch the frame. Move the stop levers to the down position. Set the stop against the lever. Move the grinding head off the other end of the reel and set the stop for that end. To move the spin motor, twist and unplug the spin motor plug. Hold the spin motor with one hand and loosen the clamp. Then lift it off the support, turn it around, and place it on the support at the other end of the grinder. Plug and twist the spin motor plug into its receptacle. Unclamp the radius arm, then swing it to the front. Set the correct height by moving the radius arm up or down. Set the correct position by moving the spin motor front to back. Unclamp the spin motor shaft. Select a 1 inch half drive socket that will fit your reel. Slide the socket onto the drive of the reel, then retighten the set screw. Finally, lock the slip clutch. Engage the grinding head to the pneumatic drive. Check the stops for the amount of infeed per pass. Close the front shield. Turn the counter on. Set the number of passes and push the reset button. Turn the grinding motor on. Turn the spin motor on and set the speed. Turn the carriage travel on and also check the speed in either direction. Slowly feed the grinding head up at the large end of the reel until the grinding stone starts to grind the reel. Then allow the grinding head to travel back and forth. Snug the tension screw. The auto infeed will continue to feed the grinding stone. Listen for a uniform grinding sound all the way across the reel. When the counter has reached the total count you've selected, it will stop infeeding and spark out. You also have full manual control of the grinding stone infeed, even in the full auto mode. At the end of the last pass, turn the grinder off. If the reel is not sharp, you may reset the counter for additional passes. You can also just hit the reset button to add additional passes. If you're not going to use the counter, just turn it off.